Hey everybody, it's Jared at Thompson Hereford Farm again, and just doing some grinding a little cow feed here on a nice warm Saturday afternoon. Doing a little ear corn grinding here. First thing you're seeing is the drag feed or conveyor, I guess, that we built and put under this crib here. It's built off an old Kewaunee elevator. First thing I'm going to do here quick is there'll be a little bit of silence here, but I'm going to go around and start raking some corn into the grinder and get that going again here on my second batch of feed for the day. So just give me a few seconds. I'll be going inside. You'll be seeing some ear corn dropping shortly. All right, and as you can see here, the corn's going along here on the conveyor. Well, I call it conveyor, drag feed, whichever your corn drag feed. It's actually just an old Kewaunee elevator that Dad and I took it off the running gear and fabricated some brackets and switched it around so that it would actually run opposite, meaning that it's down here on this end, it's actually, you normally have the PTO hook the traction you're using, and it's actually turning opposite. You see it turning here now, you see it turning counterclockwise. It actually, if it's running the proper way, it's going counterclockwise, which would be going up. You're actually, that end of the elevator down there is actually the top to dump into your crib or bin or your hay mound, whatever you're using it for. But to make it full easier, being we're using an order folder, which I'll go around to the side here and so and kind of try to talk over the track a little bit, so excuse me for that. But yeah, if we turn the chain around backwards, that way we can run backwards and actually be pulling, the driven side being out on the end and trying to push from, instead of having the conveyor underneath opposite what it is now. We put the chain in backwards and then run backwards to keep all the pull up here towards the front. So walk around here a little bit, using a 970 case and a 354 in the Holland grinder mixer. You can see it just kind of ran empty on me now, but that's fine. I'm going to walk around it. That way we won't have to deal with any noise. Horn going in it while I'm trying to go around here. But I'm not going to talk over as I go around, so we'll take a few seconds here. Let's look at the grinder and the tractor. As you can see over here, like I say, we use a hydraulic equipment motor to run things and stuff. Variable speed off the beam that I think it's as you can see, it's kind of hooked to the original elevator shaft. Elevator drive chain there, sprocket. Flux button still there just in case. Also, you see one with Norfolk motor, so we can kind of control the speed and not have to worry about big electricity out here to run the motor on it. Yeah, with that, I think we got enough feed in the grinder actually to get the wagon as full as I wanted for today. So one more time I'll walk around the tractor here and not try to talk over it and idle it down, and I will throw the unload auger in here. All right, we got her idled down here so we can throw the unload auger in gear nice and easy. So we'll just go down here and engage that lever. Then come right around here and hold the slide. Hopefully you can see it. I'm getting a little darker. I can see, might see what's going on there. I apologize, but hopefully you can see me pulling this lever. There we go. Got the slide opened up. Got the corn coming out. Kind of give you a good close-up view here of the kind of feed I'm trying to make. I guess that's there. Just basically ground whole corn and cob there, ground ear corn. Do that. See, now we're just kind of augered into the gravity wagon there. That's what you've seen a previous chore video. That's what I feed out of. So we'll take a quick look here at the corn coming out. You see, yeah, it's starting to get close to the end of the auger there. Time to swing it over. But there you have it. That's how we get the ground ear corn done here at Thompson Hereford Farm. And as always, if you would like, and if you like what you see, sure hit the like button. I'd sure appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you got questions or comments like you need me to reply to, I sure welcome you to put those down below. So, all right, folks, this is Jared, Thompson Hereford Farm, and we're done here.